Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. If you are new here, please take a moment and subscribe to my channel and also hit that bell icon so that whenever I post a video, you'll be notified. In this video today, I'm gonna share with you all 3 simple easy hairstyles which are beginner friendly as well, and this can be achieved within few minutes. So without any further ado, let's dive straight into the video. So first I'm gonna start by detangling my hair, and for that I'm gonna use a wide comb, and also make sure that you are using wooden combs because this helps in blood circulation as well. So first I'm gonna take the starting portion of my hair, like I'm gonna divide into small section like so, and then I'm gonna twist it twice. Just twist it in this way. Later you will have to take the partition over here, like take a little bit of hair. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this hair and I'm gonna twist, like roll around the earlier hair, then twist both the strands, and so this is how it looks like. Just try to pull little bit of hair towards upward direction so that it kind of gives the bounce which makes the hairstyle look completely good. So next again I'm repeating the same thing. Just take a little bit of strand, again twist around this particular hair and then roll it properly, again pull it upwards, so like so, and then again repeat the same thing and repeat the same thing. So this is how it should look. And then if you want to leave little bit of hair, you can just pull around this area, just, but I'm like okay with this. And then take from this particular side of your ear and take the complete hair and then twist, and then again pull the extra hair like towards upward direction. So you can use tic tac pins like so, or you can use some baby pins like so. This is so thin so it does not even appears on your hair. So I'm just gonna tie over it. So this is how it looks like. I have secured the hair properly with like 2 to 3 pins, and even this hairstyle is really quick to achieve. So if you are someone who is always in hurry or does not even like to do their hair, you can just twist your hair in this way and you can just pin it properly, then you are done for the day. Now the second hairstyle also is for the side partition. Now I'm gonna take little bit of hairstyle from this direction and I'm gonna leave little bit of hair towards front direction, and I'm gonna tie a braid like how you do a normal braid. In the same way I'm gonna just do a braid like so. And for the second step, like when you come to the second braid, then start taking little bit of hair from the first section, just add little bit of hair to the one strand of the braid, and then again do the as usual normal braid. So I'm gonna just do it like so. For the second braid, again take little bit of hair, twist it. So again you will have to repeat the same thing. So as you can see, this is how it looks like. You can also pull little bit of hair from the front side. Just give little bit of like pressure. Do not just pull it because you might hurt yourself. So yeah, and then the rest braid just do it in the normal way. So as you can see, I have tied my braid in the normal way. So you can just tie a rubber band, the plastic rubber bands which comes, but I just don't prefer tying a rubber band over here. Like I'm gonna hold at the end of my braid and make sure that you are arranging or placing it in the proper direction, and then secure it with a pin. So this is how it looks like. If you are someone who likes tying your hair, then what you can do is you can grab your hair completely towards the side direction and you can just tie a rubber band over here. I'll just show you 2 options with this. In this way you can just tie a particular rubber band. So like this, it looks little bit of like 90s sort of thing. This is the one way which you can tie your hair, or else what you can do is you can just tie a loose braid. So just grab your whole hair and start tying a loose braid like so. Even this looks pretty. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just pull my hair like so that if you have like thin hair, then you can just pull your hair like so and make it like look bouncer and much more thicker. So in this way, just you can still like pull your hair outwards, but I think this is much more enough. Even what you can do is you can just add small studs over here, maybe over this braid. Every braid you can just put one single pin which has like small stud detailing, so even that looks much more festive. If you are attending any sort of function, then you can just do in that way. Or rather, what you can do is, if you want to tie a side bun, you can just grab this. You already have tied a bun, a braid. Just grab this, twist it over this way, and then secure it with a pin. So even this looks much more pretty. Even here you can just add few studs over your bun as well. So yeah guys, I hope this video was helpful, and the hairstyles which I have showed were very much easy to achieve as well. So if you like this video, please hit that like button, and also do not forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.